Sherry, you're wearing black. What's going on? Why so sad?
Sarah, a moment
no.
of silence.
Oh no, what happened?
We're going to retire some of our classes.
Oh no.
Look at
Our
these.
tried and true?
Our tried and trues.
Oh my gosh.
They're going to be retired. We're offering one, count 'em ladies, one more class for
One more?
our machine tote.
Uh-huh. It's lived a good life.
Boxy tote, right?
Oh yes, good run.
Oh, my
good
gosh.
run.
Runs with scissors.
I know it.
Take a
Wonderful.
stand.
Wonderful
And-
class,
oh,
but it's
and
time to
it's
move
time.
on.
I'll drink to that.
Wow.
It has served a lot of wine
Yes, it has.
and Botox, you know.
Fabulous, fabulous purse. One more class, you say? That's
One more
it?
class.
So
That's
they
it.
better call now if they want to get in on it.
Call now.
All righty.
Thanks, ladies.
Moment of silence.
Moment of silence.